Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to install Driver Easy, a handy tool for updating drivers automatically and fixing hardware issues.
Due to YouTube's policy, I'll only show the first method here, and the second method is available in my Telegram channel. Check the link in the description below.
Okay, let's do this.
Open your browser and go to the official Driver Easy website. The direct link is in the video description. It's the very first one. On the home page, scroll down and click the trial version button. On the next page, click Download Driver Easy now and wait for the download to finish. Once it's finished, open the file. If Windows shows a security prompt, just click Yes. The installation wizard will appear. Choose your language and click OK. Then hit Continue to begin the setup. If you're unsure at any point, or your installer looks slightly different, check my Telegram channel. I've pinned a full breakdown there. Once the installation is complete, click Open Driver Easy to launch the program. You can update most drivers in the free version, but for full access and one-click updates, check out the second installation method, only available via Telegram. If this guide helped, please give it a like, and make sure to visit my Telegram channel for the second method and more useful software tutorials. Thanks for watching.